Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida, and today I'm out here on the beautiful St. Johns River floodplain exploring this amazing area. It's wide open out here and there's a lot of interesting history in these areas. There's a lot of Native American Indian mounds. Long ago, the natives inhabited and thrived all along these areas, and today we're going to journey out to an old Indian mound. Making my way towards the mound. It's there off in the distance. And there's a lot of free roaming cattle out here. Out there you can see them. Made it to the mound. You can see it right there. And at one time it was much larger. Let's take a look around. You can see a lot of broken up shells scattered around the area. These were deposited here over long periods of time. Here is all petrified shell. Seeing some different kinds of pottery fragments here on the mound, and these are smaller pieces. Get a few measurements, and they're around 3 centimeters wide, somewhere in that range. It's a smaller piece here, and maybe about 1 centimeter thick. Just hiked through the floodplain from that way and came across another Indian mound out here. And this is a shell midden. See some shells on this mound. There's a couple pieces of pottery fragments. Nice view out here.